Hey guys, I've got some very exciting news to share with you today. If you're an entrepreneur, small business owner, or just somebody who wants to really master the art of customer service, then you're going to love this. From October 1st to 5th, I'm giving away the Kindle version of my book, 10 Common Customer Service Pitfalls and How to Avoid Them, absolutely free on Amazon. Now, this short but powerful book dives into the top mistakes that small businesses make when it comes to customer service, and more importantly, shows you how you can avoid them. Now, we're talking about everything from lack of clear communication to inconsistent service quality, issues that can really hurt your business if left unchecked. And the best part, you get all this knowledge for free during the 5-day giveaway period. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to improve, refine, or overhaul your customer service strategy, this book has what you need. Okay, let's take a quick look at what's inside the book. Here are the top 10 pitfalls that I cover. Number 1, lack of clear communication. You'll learn why poor communication can lead to misunderstandings and frustrated customers. Number 2, inadequate training. You'll see how untrained or undertrained employees can negatively impact your business and what you can do about it. Number 3, poor response time. You'll understand why speed matters when it comes to customer service, and you'll see some practical steps you can take to really improve your response time when it comes to your customers. Number 4, not collecting feedback. We'll cover the value of customer feedback and how you can use it to refine your services. Number 5, ignoring customer issues. You'll see why every complaint is really an opportunity to build loyalty from your customer base. Number 6, overpromising and under-delivering. You'll learn about the dangers of not meeting expectations and learn how to set realistic promises to your customers. Number 7, lack of empathy. You'll see why empathy is essential in customer interactions, and you'll look at some steps to cultivate it. Number 8, failing to adapt to customer needs. You'll learn why being flexible is crucial in a rapidly changing market. Number 9, inconsistent service quality. You'll see how to maintain high standards across all customer touchpoints in your business. Number 10, neglecting employee satisfaction. Happy employees lead to happy customers. You'll learn some practical ways to keep your team engaged. So mark your calendars. From October 1st through October 5th, you can download the Kindle version of 10 Common Customer Service Pitfalls and How to Avoid Them, absolutely free on Amazon. Don't miss this opportunity to level up your customer service game without spending a dime. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and strategies on customer service, business growth, and entrepreneurship. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.